sabihin nyo, para sa Pilipino, iTag 2.0! Para sa Pilipino! Again, it's Chancellor, let us first acknowledge, ma'am, again and again, atong i-roll call ang mga parishes kanaan na binigkaroon, at the same time, ang mga schools nga present for this iTag 2. So, in commemoration, in celebration as well with our EDSA, EDSA, People Power Revolution, our Lupi anniversary. We would like also to acknowledge the following. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Bishop of the Diocese of Butuan, Most Reverend Cosme Damian R. Almedilla Didi. Palapakan!
We would also like to thank and acknowledge St. Joseph Cathedral, Love and Mercy Community. Ito nag-lead din as a praise and worship, no? And Anonymous Office.
Yung Anonymous Office. Berhen sa Candelaria. And buhay na buhay and present at this point of time, our youth coming from Candelaria Institute of Technology of Kabadbaran Incorporated, together with their, of course, ilang faculty and staff. How about our parishioners coming from Holy Cross Parish? Ayan. How about our parishioners coming from Our Lady of Fatima? Yay! How about mga parokyano gikan sa St. Michael the Archangel, Simbalan? Ayan, present as well.
Cantores Hermano. We also would like to acknowledge and give thanks to our CDRRMO, Diocesan Youth, FSU Stockholm, Father Randy of Chile, Sanchez, Santorini Shrine Libertad, Butuan City Government, Holy Cross Parish, Stockholm, and FSU